We are on the way to Halls Gap. We are in the Grampians. It's a very nice sky, nature, very nice drive.
Windmill. Okay, windmill shop. Top of the mountain.
There is some windmills on the top of the hill, top of the mountain.
That produce power, electricity.
The both side of the road, all the natives tree. Now we are going to Kookaburra Motor Lodge. So it's in the Grampians, Halls Gaps. We are staying at night. In the Kookaburra Motor Lodge. See the nature of the Grampians. You see the
Winery.
winery.
Grapes garden.
It's a grapes garden. Windmills.
District was winery. District.
It's a winery. You can taste the wine here. We are fully in the nature. There's the beauty of Grampians. You must come and visit the Kookaburra Lodge.
Please come to Kookaburra Motor Lodge.
I show you some video when I reach in Kookaburra Motor Lodge. This is the color of the tree, grapes, garden, and also the sky, blue and white cloud, and the sun glares. It's a tree, different colors, leaf, some of yellow, some of red, some of green. We need some fuel for the car. Thank you very much.